So I'm Gil, 31 years old from Hamburg, and I've been rocking on Amazon for a few years now.
My name is Gregory Elfrink. I'm the Director of Marketing for Empire Flippers. We are a online business brokerage. My job is to help people buy and sell online businesses.
My name is Steve Chou, and I run the popular blog Mywifequitherjob.com, a podcast of the same name, and I also run an annual e-commerce conference called the Seller Summit.
This is one that most of your listeners may not even know about, but there is a affiliate program attached to Amazon. Amazon Associates, extremely popular. Something that an FBA person could do is go look at all these authority sites ranking in Google, reach out to those site owners because they often have a ton of traffic. And you can usually say like, hey man, could you do a sponsored review of my product? Or hey, I noticed you have this roundup review of similar products. I also have this product. I would like to be in your roundup review. And that is a way to drive traffic that's a little bit out of the box.
Try everything you can. Go for headline search ads, product display ads, sponsored product ads, Facebook, everything. Every source you can control somehow, make it break even or better, and shoot it onto your listing.
One type of Facebook ad that is not used very often are Facebook offer ads. And what's great about Facebook offer ads is when someone opts into the offer, they are actually emailed the offer. They also get a notification in their Facebook bar, so that it's much more likely to be actually redeemed.
Hold on, don't leave yet. Make sure you join over 30,000 Amazon sellers at the FBA High Rollers group by going to ampmpodcast.com/Facebook. It's free to join this massive community. And if you're a person that enjoys money, or you're a human that prefers easier and faster ways to make it by selling on Amazon, then we've set aside some massive goodies for you. Head over to ampmpodcast.com/resources to save thousands of dollars on tools and services that the pros use to crush it on Amazon. And one last thing, don't miss out on future episodes. Make sure you tap that subscribe button and leave your questions in the comments below.